Here with the 1999 Ford Escort, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what underneath the valve cover looks like. You can see there's right there all the rocker arms and the springs and the lifters. If you're getting a tick in your engine from the upper part, a lot of times it's actually the lifters, which are right under here, under the top part of the rocker arm, and they kind of fill with oil, pump up with oil, and if they get plugged up, they'll start ticking. It'd be kind of like a fast, like tapping almost on your valve cover. But that's kind of what it looks like underneath. Very easy to remove, just a few bolts that hold it together on top of the engine. But if you have any questions, please post below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.